Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babyfred token. Now this is a brand new token that just came out and is trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. So this is named after another very popular token, Fred, the convicted raccoon. And that has to do with the Peanut story, and the Peanut token is actually trending number 1 right now on DEX Screener. That remains to be a very popular token. So this one actually just jumped up to number 2 right now. It's up 70,500% right now. They have a 24-hour trading volume that's in the millions of dollars for the Babyfred token. We're going to go over the information on Babyfred and how you can get the token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, which is at Babyfred Solana. On the Twitter right here, you can see that they have links to their other socials. So you could easily find everything here at Babyfred Solana on Twitter, at Babyfred Portal on Telegram, and babyfredsol.com is the webpage. 9 tweets so far, 355 Twitter followers. And it says, yeah, the legend himself, Babyfred, never fade, the raccoon. And this token here is named after, so there was I'll tell you the story very quickly. There was a squirrel social media star, obviously his owner was the star who created an account that showcased the squirrel that he, rescued. He owns like a rescue shelter, or he's part of a rescue shelter organization, some sort of animal charity sanctuary thing. And so he has a social media account on Instagram and whatnot where he shows this squirrel. There's also a raccoon. The squirrel was confiscated by police and euthanized, and same with the raccoon. And so there's been, kind of an outrage about it, and people are, signing petitions. I saw they had like over 50,000 signatures at one point for the squirrel. And then, so then after that, there's been a bunch of tokens created based off of Peanut, the squirrel, and Fred, the raccoon. And then now we have Babyfred. And there's also a baby Peanut token that I'm going to be posting a video on later today too as well. So stay tuned for that one too. So, when tokens become popular, there's always spin-offs. There's always the babies, the minis, the papas, mamas, CEOs, the 2.0s, etc. So you can tell Fred is popular because there's a baby version, just like Baby Doge. So this token right now is up 71,345%, doing insanely well. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $7.6 million. Just today, they've had 77,169 transactions. Market cap right now is $1.2 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $104,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. They have a token price today of 0.0012 USD. And this token pair was created 11 hours, 46 minutes ago on Radium. So that's how brand new this token is. They have 243 pooled SOL in Radium, which is equivalent to 40,365,000 pooled Babyfred tokens. There is a quick audit here on Dex Screener that says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. And, some of these tokens in the first day can be pretty sketchy. The dev might own some tokens here and then sell them. That happens a lot with Solana tokens. And if the community does like the token, a lot of the times there's a community takeover after that, or sometimes the token will just slowly go down to nothing after that. So, just be... that's the hard part about these meme coins and just crypto in general, is that if you see a token that you think is going to do well and you ape in on the first day, I mean, that could be great if it just continues to go up and it's safe and nobody sells and whatever. Or, people could pump and dump it in the first day and then you lose a lot of money. So just be careful, as always. Right now, this token has 4,960 holders. They have here a total supply of 999.99 million tokens, which is also their circulating supply. Now, they only got a DEX score of 74 out of 99. They lost a lot of points for lack of information. If you go to their web page, they did have a little bit of info here. It does say tax is 0%, buy and selling. Started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary. It's got a little blurb here. It says... Babyfred, Peanut's brother, taken from us too soon, justice for Fred. Babyfred and Peanut used to live a happy life together in the same house in New York. They were both arrested by federal government agents suddenly one day and later killed. This has broken hearts across the world, but the memories live on. This is not a meme coin, it's a movement to highlight how the governance shatters beautiful dreams. And just justice for Fred, justice for Peanut. So that's all the information on the page. So they lost a lot of points for a lack of information. You could also follow their Telegram, by the way, at Babyfred Portal, which has 431 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates and announcements. And besides that, they did have a quick audit that I was just looking at here by Quick Intel Security, and it has no warnings on it whatsoever. So it says contract is verified. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. It doesn't go over everything. You should always thoroughly do your own research before investing in anything, especially new meme coins. Do your due diligence and let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.